During World War II, Imperial Japan carried out some of the most brutal crimes in Asia. That included Unit 731, which conducted biological and medical experiments on civilians and prisoners of war. Russian historians say the legacy of those crimes still shapes today's security perceptions.
Человека заражали.
They infected a person, placed him in a sealed room, and observed during which time he became ill, how he died. They, in fact, recorded and photographed almost all stages of the experiment. In general, the Japanese army, first of all, against the Chinese population, showed unprecedented cruelty.
Those memories resurface as Japan debates nuclear sharing, missile deployment, and expanded military roles abroad. Tokyo insists its policies remain defensive and aligned with international law, but Moscow says historical experience makes regional trust fragile.